Massage is a general term for pressing, rubbing, and manipulating your skin, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Massage may range from light stroking to deep pressure. While you might be in a state of total relaxation, your body is going into full activation mode during a massage. A massage stimulates your nervous system, wakes up your muscles, organs, and glands, moves blood and lymph fluid, and gets multitudes of cells to produce and release chemicals and hormones. Your body needs a massage to renew itself and reverse the effects of stress. If you have never tried massage, learn about its possible health benefits and what to expect during a massage therapy session. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you benefits of massage and its risks. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Before we get into the benefits of massage, let's look at the types of massage. The common types of massage include the following. Number 1. Swedish massage. This is a gentle form of massage that uses long strokes, kneading, deep circular movements, vibration, and tapping. It helps you feel relaxed and energized. Number 2. Deep massage. This massage technique uses slower, more forceful strokes to target the deeper layers of muscle and connective tissue. It's commonly used to help with muscle damage from injuries. Number 3. Sports massage. This is similar to Swedish massage, but it's geared towards people involved in sport activities to help prevent or treat injuries. And number 4. Trigger point massage. This massage focuses on areas of tight muscle fibers that can form in your muscles after injuries or overuse. When you get back to the benefits of massage, massage is generally considered part of integrative medicine. It's increasingly being offered along with standard treatment for a wide range of medicinal conditions and situations, which include reducing stress and increasing relaxation, reducing pain and muscle soreness and tension, improving circulation, energy and alertness, lowering heart rate and blood pressure, improving immune function. And while most research is needed to confirm the benefits of massage, some studies have found massage may also be helpful for anxiety, digestive disorders, headaches, insomnia-related stress, low back pain, nerve pain, soft tissue strains or injuries, sport injuries, upper back and neck injuries, and so on. Beyond the benefits for specific conditions or diseases, some people enjoy massage because it often produces feelings of caring, comfort, and connection. Now let's have a look at some of these benefits one by one. Number 1. Skin refresh. The slight friction of your massage therapist's hands along with the massage lotion and oil causes gentle exfoliation, allowing fresh skin cells to emerge. Number 2. Nervous system relaxation. As you relax, your nervous system enters a rest and digestive mode. If you have areas of pain and tension in your body, it's possible that they are the results of pressure on nerves caused by tight muscles, and massage may relieve it. A relaxed nervous system means that hormone production will balance out. Production of stress hormones such as corticosteroids or LDL decreases as feel-good hormones like endorphins increase. Hormones that regulate sleep-wake cycles, menstrual cycles, immune cells, blood sugar, and even how much food you eat all react positively to the relaxation that accompanies a full-body massage. Number 3. Musculoskeletal benefits. Your muscles are like sponges. When they contract, blood and lymph fluids are squeezed out, and when they relax, fresh blood enters, bringing fresh nutrition, oxygen, and immune cells. Your massage therapist may also incorporate stretching and range of motion movements into the massage, which mobilizes the joints and places beneficial tension in your muscle, ligaments, and tendons. Number 4. Lymphatic detox. The lymphatic system is crucial to balance the fluid and the function of your immune system. Lymphatic vessels, parallel blood vessels throughout your body, and large groups of lymph nodes are found in the neck, armpits, and groin. As your massage therapist works on flushing blood through muscles and tissue, they are also draining the lymphatic system, where the lymph nodes filter out dead cells, waste products, and possible pathogens. Sluggish lymph flow contributes to fluid retention, and draining the lymphatic system may reduce edema in certain parts of the body. Number 5. Improved bone blood supply. Did you know your bones also have a blood supply and receive the same advantages from massage as your muscles? Blood flow brings calcium and other minerals to your bones to support their strength and function, so your skeletal system receives a major boost from massage. Number 6. A healthy heart. A full body massage is good for your heart as well. The vasodilation produced by massage increases your venous return, which in turn increases blood flow and delivery of oxygen to all your organs. Your entire cardiovascular system relaxes and circulation throughout your body improves. Activation of the parasympathetic nervous system, rest and digest mode helps regulate blood pressure and heart rate. Number 7. Digestive well-being. Stress takes a toll on the digestive system, and a full body massage can have a very healthy effect on how your body processes food and nutrients. The parasympathetic nervous system regulates your digestion, producing needed chemicals like saliva, gastric juice, and insulin, and stimulates peristalsis, which moves food through your intestines. Classic Swedish massage includes an optional abdominal massage that acts directly on your large intestine to regulate the final stages of digestion. When food moves smoothly through the digestive system, your stomach, gallbladder, pancreas, and intestine work together for maximum nutrient absorption, which supports your overall well-being. Number 8. Improved breathing. Your massage therapist may ask you to take a deep breath at the start of the massage. Unrestricted breathing is one of the fastest roads to stress reduction, and your first breath on the massage table may become a sigh of relief. In addition to the diaphragm, there are muscles in your ribs, chest, and the neck that assist breathing. Since so much tension accumulates in shoulder, chest, and neck muscles, it's no wonder that our breathing becomes restricted when we are stressed. As you relax further into the massage and your breathing deepens and evens out, your massage therapist can work into tense muscles to reduce tightness in muscles that assist respiration. And now let's have a look at the risks of massage. Most people can benefit from massage. However, massage may not be appropriate if you have bleeding disorders or take blood thinning medication, if you have burns or healing wounds, if you have deep vein thrombosis, if you have infections, broken bones or fractures, severe osteoporosis, and a very low platelet count. You have to discuss the pros and cons of massage with your doctor, especially if you are pregnant or if you have cancer or unexplained pain. Some forms of massage can leave you feeling a bit sore the next day, but massage shouldn't ordinarily be painful or uncomfortable. If any part of your massage doesn't feel right or is painful, speak up right away. Most serious problems come from too much pressure during massage. Well, reviews. As you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of benefits of full body massage and its risks. What do you think about these benefits? Give us your opinion in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply in your life from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.